Take your first strip and apply glue to the end and then turn it face down. As you bring it back to connect it, make sure you twist the opposite end to the right before you connect it. After you've done so, set it aside to dry. Now take the second strip and apply glue to the end and turn it face down. This time as you bring it back to connect it, twist the opposite end to the left and then set it aside to dry. Now take the first strip and apply a stripe of glue opposite from where you connected it. Now take the next strip and attach it in the shape of a plus sign and let it dry. Now take your scissors and very carefully cut through the middle all the way to the end. Do this for both strips, cutting across where they're attached with glue. After you've cut all the way through and you've twisted everything correctly, you'll have a set of Mobius hearts. For this part, take any 9 hearts from a deck of playing cards. It won't matter which 9, just as long as they're all hearts. Now, take the cards and spread them face down on the table so someone can select a card. After they've selected the card, it won't matter which one, just so long as you place the selected card back on the top. Now, after you take the selected card, we're going to spell the value. In this case, we'll spell K-I-N-G, King, and place the remaining cards on top. Now take the packet and spell of, O-F, of, and place the packet on top. Now pick up the cards and finally we'll spell hearts, H-E-A-R-T-S, hearts, and place the remaining pack on top. And if you've done everything correctly, you'll find the selected card.